Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the region or server on your Warface game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Warface clutch game on your device and make sure that you are logged in either to your Steam account or Epic Games Store account. After you have been logged in, the play button will appear. Now within this page, you can choose your region by simply clicking on the drop-down menu underneath region. Once you click on this, you will see the various different servers that are available for your network. Just click on whichever server you wish to use, and now this server will be used for your game. You can now click on the play button, and the connection that the game will make will be to this specific server that you just selected, and you will now be able to play games from the players of this region. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your server or region on the Warface clutch game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.